Hello, welcome to Storyboard AI. Today, let's look at what is machine learning. Traditionally, if we think of computer programs, we think lines of code. Unlike traditional programming, machine learning is when computers learn to do things without being explicitly programmed for each task. Instead of following detailed step-by-step programmed instructions written by humans, the machine learns by drawing various patterns from the data it is fed. Let's try to connect the concept via an example. Think about how a baby learns. If we want to teach a baby to identify a dog, there is no need to give specific details, like a dog has 4 legs, has fur, and barks. Instead, every time you see a dog, you show and tell, that's a dog. And the baby tries to connect the dots and naturally learns the patterns of what a dog might look like. And next time a dog passes by, the baby might recognize the animal as a dog. Now apply this same concept to a machine. We don't tell the machine explicitly the details about a dog, but feed it with data, about thousands of images of what a dog looks like, and the machine figures out the patterns and starts predicting if an image shown is a dog or not. That's the most simple way to describe machine learning. Now, there are 3 main types of machine learning. First is supervised learning. This is like learning with a teacher. That is, we clearly label the data we feed the machine. Pictures of cats labeled as cat, and pictures of dogs labeled as dog. And the machine learns to connect the features to the labels. Second is unsupervised learning. This is learning through exploration. We feed data without the labels and let the machine find patterns on its own. For example, giving the machine groups of customers with similar buying habits without telling what the groups should be, and let the machine draw patterns. Third is reinforcement learning. This is learning through trial and error. In this method, we give the machine various paths, and the paths are associated with rewards. When the machine explores different paths, it gets rewarded for making good decisions. So, to summarize, any type of machine learning has these 4 steps. 1. Feed data, give the machine lots of examples or data. 2. Find patterns. The machine looks for patterns in that data. 3. Make a model. The machine creates a mathematical model based on those patterns. And 4. Make predictions. The machine can then use that model to make predictions about new data. Now, using these concepts, let's build a simple AI application for an email spam filter via supervised learning. Imagine teaching a machine to recognize spam emails. Step 1. We show it thousands of emails labeled spam or not spam. Step 2. It notices patterns like spam often mentions free money or has weird formatting. Then step 3. It builds a mathematical model connecting these patterns to spam likelihood. And finally, step 4. When a new email arrives, the machine predicts whether it's spam or not based on what it learned. That's it. You learned what is the concept behind machine learning. Now, take a moment to think of what you understood, and try to think of another application that you can build based on the 4 machine learning steps we looked at. Thanks for listening, and meet you in our next video.